What's going on, folks? This is Mark, K2CSX WSCL 731. Now, I got asked pretty much questions about how do you paint the sidings, the housing on the DM32 or the UV32 Baofeng. And it goes a little bit like this. Okay. I had just did another touch up on my UV32 DM. This is a DMR version. I have 4 DMRs and I have 4 analogs. So this was getting a little bit scuffed up. Got to be very careful when you using these. You can't put them in the those holster types because they will scratch them up, especially if you're modeling these. Now, however, Baofeng did come out with a orange version recently. So you probably ask, how do you do this? Well, very carefully. You want to get some masking tape, and you want to tape these buttons up, tape around them. And what will you use? You will use a hobby knife. You'll use a hobby knife and you score around the edges. Very, very careful. The same thing on the microphone headphone side. You score around, very, very careful. You get some painter's tape, you cover it up. Before you put the painter's tape up, you want to get scotch tape and you start from the top all along this line here. And then you do the same thing along here. You scotch tape this up here at the bottom and you scotch tape it up there at the top, making sure no paint, absolutely no coloring gets on there. So you probably ask, what does it take? Well, as I said, the masking tape, which you will use to score around with a hobby knife set here. Then we will use our scotch tape to start from the top all the way down to the bottom on 4 sides. Front, on the left, and over here, right. Make sure that is covered up with the tape, the painter's tape, which is this right here. And then what you would do, you will hit it off on each side. Here is your paints. As you see what I used here, I've used the glossy orange, but I didn't want it to be glossy. I didn't want this to shine, even though this have enamel protection in it, glossy protection. I also use the matte to soften the shine. And this here is clear. So that's what it looks like. Now you see it's all covered up right now. But with the magic of video, this tape and all will soon disappear. Or as Popeye will say, disappear. Stand by for that. This is what it came out to look like. Now there is some runs that can easily be covered up, cleared up. No big deal. This is what the housing will look like. Just gotta, there's a little run right here. There's a run there. There's a run on right about there. And some on the buttons, you just scrape that and you get your black off that. You get the orange off the black rubber buttons. That will clear up nicely. So this is how you do your orange. As you see, we had the same type of situations with our other colors here, and so far they came out to be very, very good. Now I do want to do a yellow one. I call it New York Taxi Cab Yellow, but that will be for the future. So this is the orange. Like I said, my OCD have to clear that up. Just got finished painting it recently, a couple hours ago. So by the ending of this, the ending of the night, this will all be cleaned up. This right here, this blemish will be gone. Where else I can see? That little blemish right there, and a little bit that got on this around the door, that will be cleaned up. So there you have it. This is my orange. I'll probably do a little short video of the cleaning once it's cleaned, show you how it came out. But all this mess right here, this is the tape that came off of it. So hope you learned something. Oh yeah, that got to be cleaned up. Hope you guys learned something, and I'll say 73s for now. This is WSCL 731 K2CSX KC2QJX 73s. Click, click.